Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to Redesign. If you probably already know by this title that I'm doing another review and demo, but this time I'm doing a different heat protectant that I picked up at Walmart for like $4. It's the L'Oreal Paris heat sleek it iron straightener heat protectant. It's supposed to make your hair straight for like 3 days, and it goes up to 450 degrees. So let's get started. So for the review of this L'Oreal Sleek It Straighten heat protectant that goes up to 450 degrees, the first time I used it was the other day, and I didn't really like it. I'm used to like Chia and Revlon, but I'm on vacation and I forgot some stuff at my house, so I wanted to go cheap, so I picked it up at Walmart. I've used it before. It's supposed to make your hair last for 3 days. For me, I kind of have thick hair, so it has before, but not all the time for me. So don't quote me on it, but sometimes it works for me and sometimes it doesn't. I'll just read it to you. Sleek It Iron Straighten Heat Spray, our highest performance lightweight heat spray, offers 3-day sleek hair, 450 heat protection for an ideal sleek look. So perfect look, I guess. Yeah, I would recommend this. It's not my first choice, but it was pretty cheap, and it says for all heat tools. So I did curl my hair in the video you'll see, but they do have a curling heat protectant. I think I've seen it before, but I haven't seen it for a while. So my review and thoughts on this, it's semi good, but I don't know if I just like better heat protectant because I use better products on my hair. But if you're looking for something cheap and inexpensive and you're in a hurry, I totally recommend this. Like I said, a lot of heat protectants go up to 450 degrees on your hair, but don't quote me on it, but I think that's the highest that heat protectant goes. But I like putting a lot of heat on your hair is very damaging to it. So the less is better, and your hair will probably grow faster, but don't quote me on that. But all in all, this is a good heat protectant. If you're in a hurry, you need something cheap, it does last for 3 days, but don't quote me on that. So, that's my thoughts on the review. Now, time for the demo. So for the demo part of the L'Oreal Paris Advanced Hairstyle Sleek It Iron Straight Heat Protectant, it's a 3-day sleek 450 heat protection. I probably already said that in the review part, but I am going to just spray it on lightly. It comes out pretty fast, like the Chia one, so I'm gonna let it dry. I also use this on my hair extensions. The first time I used it, I did not like it. So I'm gonna take my curling iron, go like this, and just wait for it, curl it up like this. there for about 10 to 20 seconds. Do it again on this piece. 450 is like around the same, like the highest heat protection I have found. So, like I said in the review part, it was only like $4. So now I'm gonna do this side and do the same thing. I don't know. Hold it there for about 10 seconds, 20 to 20 seconds, and release it. And that's how you have it. Now I'm going to come back and show you with the hair extension what it does for the demo part. So for the demo part of the hair extension, I'm just taking the L'Oreal Sleek Iron Straight spray, heat protectant spray. I'm just spraying it all like this, and I think that's enough. It comes out pretty fast, like I said in the last part of the video. And I'm just gonna go like this, put it all the way down, roll it up, just like this, hold it there, and put it for about 10 to 20 seconds, like I said. Take it out and put it in like so. And there you have it. So now I'm going to come back with the end result. I don't want to bore you guys, so I'm going to come back with the end result. Hey guys, so I'm back with the end result of the demo and review of the L'Oreal Sleek and Straight Heat Protectant that goes up to 450 degrees. This is the end result of the heat protectant. It actually worked really well this time than the first time. I would recommend it, like I said in the review and the demo part. I picked it up at Walmart for $4. I think it was $3.97. So thanks for watching, and please like this video, and if it was helpful, leave a comment down below, or if you have any questions, comment. Please also don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.